Hello viewers, this documentary contains a rare subject, that is, honoring the first and foremost fine art known as the culinary art or the art of cooking. This fine art deals with the very substance of human life and is the custodian of human health, based on the gospel truth, health is wealth. What you eat is what you are. Our food is our prescription and real wealth is our health. Of all the universities in the world, Geetham University, that is the Gandhi Institute of Technology and Management University, situated at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, on the shores of the Bay of Bengal, in between Kolkata and Chennai, has during the last 30 years of its existence graduated thousands of young men and women with wonderful knowledge of technology and management in various fields. From the forthcoming footage of this documentary, you will be really happy to note that this great university has thought of encouraging the culinary art by Mr. Satyanarayana Bakshi Vemulakonda, who traveled to 80 nations of the globe with the mission of propagating vegetarian and health cuisine and explaining the values of vegetarian and health food with practical cookery demonstrations at hospitals, health clubs, community centers in 80 nations, as well as in airline kitchens across the world. This unique gesture of Geetham University proudly stands as the one and only institution in the academic world to think of culinary art and honoring the right man, the Grand Chef Bakshi, on August 28, 2010, at a glittering convocation conferring a degree of Doctor of Letters. Mr. Bakshi has been honored with the degree of Doctor of Letters along with 3 other eminent personalities: Dr. Radhakrishnan, a noted scientist and the chairman of ISRO, Mr. Raju, a renowned administrator, and Mr. Murthy, a philosopher and poet. In this documentary, you will find Bakshi's unique forte in health and vegetarian cuisine. You will watch with interest his laurels, his achievements, accomplishments, and noteworthy aspects during the last 50 years around the world. Bakshi is qualified to the bar and passed in MA Sociology and Law with flying colors. Hence he is known as the lawyer chef. As a hobby, Bakshi had an opportunity of preparing a meal for the philosopher-statesman, the then President of India, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who encouraged Bakshi to take up cooking as a profession instead of the law courts, and duly signed and sent a complimentary note which really encouraged Bakshi to enter into the kitchens of the world at large. 50 years ago, Grand Chef Bakshi was working for a noted filmmaker of India, Mr. B.R. Chopra, who also encouraged his art of cooking to become professional. Similarly, another noted South Indian superstar and Dadasaheb Phalke Award winner, Dr. Akkineni Rangeshwar Rao, in a way was also responsible in encouraging Bakshi after tasting a meal prepared by him. Soon after hearing the wonderful news of Bakshi's cooking and the President's commendations, the Chairman of Air India and the father of Indian aviation, Mr. J.R.D. Tata, picked him up as the officer in charge of the vegetarian catering division of the airline's worldwide operations. With his assignment of teaching and training various flight kitchen personnel in different parts of the world from where Air India was picking up their meals, with special reference to the vegetarian meal uplifts, Grand Chef Bakshi gifted his knowledge to many flight kitchens all over the world, which they enjoy and implement even till today. Thus, Bakshi's hobby has become his profession, and he has never looked back in the last half-century. Bakshi entertained a galaxy of luminaries and Bharat Ratnas like Nelson Mandela, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, the Frontier Gandhi, M.S. Subbalakshmi, M.G. Ramachandran, Morarji Bhai Desai, Mother Teresa, Sai Baba, Swami Chinmayananda, the late Dhirubhai Ambani, Madam Indira Gandhi, amongst others, who encouraged Bakshi in his art of cooking, which he channelized into health and food for fitness cuisine.